Hi, good evening. Welcome to the video. Today we are going to show how to troubleshoot a router remote using Telnet protocol. And Telnet allows to connect a router commands line interface and resolve network issues from your desk. And let's go into step by step. And before that, and what is Telnet and and how it is will useful to your real life. First, we need to go to the definition. We'll go with starts with definition. Telnet is a protocol used to provide a better text-based communication facility over the internet protocol or local area networks (LANs), and it enables the client to a remote server or device often. And when coming to the some of the features, it has a remote access. Remote access means we can allow users to remotely access and manage network devices such as routers or servers, and we can interact with through CMD also, and it has a no encryption. This is the main disadvantage. And when you go to the key features we have a remote access and CLI, and it has no encryption. No encryption means Telnet transmits data including login credentials in plain text, making it insecure for modern. Because it is one of the disadvantage. They can share the passwords in the plain text and replaced by SSH. Due to some security reason, Telnet has a large Hazley replaced by a security shell, which provides encrypt communication. And if you go to some use cases, sorry, if you go to some use cases, mainly it used in network troubleshooting. Okay, and then go to device device configuration. If you go to some device configuration means we can go to routers and switches, and also accessing the legacy systems. And these are the some uh, due to some security limitations. Telnet is primarily used in isolated control environments. Hmm. Now I will explain with some real-time scenario how it will be helpful, how Telnet protocol is used in corporate environments, I mean IT environments. Mm, there we can go to some headline: troubleshooting a router in a local network. And we can go to, like, suppose if you are an IT support engineer or desktop engineer, mm, wherever you are, and desktop engineer and technical support engineer, whatever may be. But the job position is, but you are, if you are an IT support engineer and one of your company's router has stopped routing traffic correctly, but you need to remotely access the router's configuration to check for an issues. So the first step is we need to go to the hmm, accessing the router via telnet. So what you do, um, sorry, accessing the telnet, accessing the router via telnet, and then we can go to the open command prompt on your computer, and then first we can go to open cmd, and next to go to type, you can enter the same command telnet one. You can enter this ip address 192.168.1. Let us assume that is only as a router ips, and then we hit the enter button, and next we can go to is step 2, and we can step 2 is we can log into the router, sorry, log into the router, and the router the router asks a pass password and username. Okay, and since the telnet encrypted traffic, you can you can enter the credentials in the plain text. That is the, as you know, it has a one of the disadvantage. And step 3, we can go to the checking configuration. Can checking configuration, once you log it into the access the router's command line interface, you can run command like show ip route check of checking routing configuration or show interface to ensure all interfaces are working, and then go to step 4, fixing the issue. After identify the misconfiguration, you correct it by entering all necessary commands. Example, resetting the root table or modifying interface settings. And step 5 is disconnecting. Disconnect. Once done, you log out and close the telnet session by typing exit. And this is also once. This is also. This is. These are the. These are the step by step to resolve the issues. That's wrap for our tutorial troubleshooting using Telnet. I hope you found this step by step guide useful, and remember, Telnet is a great for controlled environments, but in production always use secure protocols like SSH. Thank you.